Oko Europe amo ayesu omo with football abrochire ne ade no with few games to end the season. Because the clubs no asase unveil omo jersey omo be the following season. Na say me hu say me Chelsea, Man City ne ade Real Madrid for the ade aba na say na club ya Asante Kotoko na obi busa me say Charlie na club ya ade bia gagagai da be na new jersey ne unveil. And I'm saying no, asema minim mu ne was me kobusa mpanyifo na mpanyifo de enchiremu ba we Ignatius, assistant coach of friends coach Kwesi Apia MC member. And I'm amakoji nchiremu na nchiremu no nso to asumu pa reason why it's a Kotoko en unveil the new jersey for the season. Now basically panya me ni di nkomo no echechemu say as usual say yenyina nim say TH before any Kotoko sign 1 year contract with an option to renew. Now the woman say 1 year contract no eswa and as a season no swan option to renew no enya mbaya omuntimi enkoye jesi bia emba because 1 year contract na as a season contract na enye year season actually for the season ne ba wie ya isiwa then Kotoko no one say no na IMC na ewo ho na between this month June ya and the following month eda nim no substantive board and management ebeba Kumasi Asante Kotoko enti eye omo na be decide say club ya Asante Kotoko ne TH before ento aso ana say omo management ana say board ebeba no omo wo new kit sponsor omodeba on board nteze no untimi enko unveil anase untimi nkoma TH before no enko ye jersey fufuro bia emma anase untimi fa design bia anko say Kotoko next season jersey because next season no it is not certain say a TH before no and a best sponsor anase a be kit Kumasi Asante Kotoko omo contract with Kotoko eba na wie at the end of the season ntinchechemu na eba ye no I think say seniors we eto asumu because board ebeba no ono no bia wakonya Puma bi so zala no wakonya Nike bi Adidas bi de ba the another option is that TH before no new board beba almost say well more modern morning mujumedi amunidi so ye into with an option to renew ni asa renew na omo asa akoye jersey fufuro abre Kumasi Asante Kotoko for the next season which is 2024-2025 Ghana Premier Football season. Nti chechirimu amensa kan ya no. Mi amenyu aba na da screen so no. Club ya na good no.